Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Maurya and welcome to our channel Linguality Capital. Dear friends, in this lecture we have a discussion on one of the important terms of semantics which is known to be the hyponymy and meronymy. In this lecture we will discuss what is hyponymy and meronymy and what are the differences between the hyponymy and meronymy. At first we will discuss hyponymy. As per the definition of hyponymy is a relation of inclusion. A hyponym includes the meaning of a more general word. In the sense, a hyponymy means that it's known to be the common one. Common means, as we can say in the example, we can see here that dog and cat are the hyponyms of animal, and animal in itself is the hypernym. Hypernym. Okay. So here, according to the definition of hyponymy is a relation of the inclusion. A hyponymy includes the meaning of a more general word. Just we have a general word, we have a common word which is known to be the animal, and its hyponyms are the cat and the dogs. When do we discuss that a hyponymy is includes the meaning of a more general word? So here, if we take the example of animal, then in animal human can also come. Animal, dog can also come, horse can also come, tiger can also come, lion can also come. Means all the category of the animals that comes, all the species that comes under the animals, all is the hyponyms of the animal, while animal in itself is known to be the hypernym. Okay, next we have another example here. Sister and mother are hyponyms of women. What is women? Women in the sense, first, we can say that woman means it is a general term for any of the adult lady. So here, if I say that woman means what? Any female. So here we can see that under, if I say there is any girl or sister or mother, then this is all the hyponyms of women, and women will be in itself a hypernym. Okay, so let's have an example like dog. Just here you can see that if I say only dog, then the dog in itself is known to be the hypernym. But when we talk about the species of the dog, then these all comes under the hyponym, or also we can say this is also known to be the co-hyponym. Okay, like German Shepherd, like Bulldog, Labrador Retriever, Golden Retriever, French Bulldogs, Siberian Husky and Beagle. Okay, so next we have another example. If I say the bird, then bird in itself is the hyponym, and these are the actual. Suppose that if I tell it, this is known to be the hypernym, but if I say like parrot, and there are so many varieties of the parrot, that is why in parrot, like we have the cockatiel and budgerieger, grey parrot, cockatoos, lovebirds, parrots, true parrot. These are the species of the parrots. So these are the co-hyponym of a hyponym, that which is known to be the bird. Parrot, and after parrot is the hyponym of a bird. Bird is hyponym of animals, and animals in itself is fully hypernym, and in here you can also say this is the hypernym. Next we have another example, another term which is known to be the meronymy or meronymy. Meronymy, in the sense the term meronymy is used to describe a part-whole relationship between lexical items, and the whole term is sometimes known as the holonym. According to its definition, the meronymy is used to describe a part-whole relationship. This is the important term. Means a part-whole relationship means the segment of any of the bodies or any of the part, whatever the segment's name is there, that all comes under the meronymy. Meronymy means here just we have an example, like if you take an example like car. This is your car. So car in itself is the holonym. Car in itself is the, as here I have mentioned here, that the whole term is sometimes known as the holonym. So here if I say this is the car, then this is a holonym in itself. But when do I talk about the features of the car, then here you can see the tires, the rings, the lights, the body sport, the glasses, something like that. Yeah. So these are the metonyms of this holonym. We have just an example. This is also the chord. This is the new kind of a chord. Okay. Next we have one more example. One like book. If I say book, book in itself is the holonym, while when do we talk about it, what can be in the book, like cover, like the pages, like the ink. So these all are the meronyms of this holonym, what is known to be the book. Next we have one more example. This is the last example, which is known to be the tab. Here we have the tab 1 plus pad 3, which is going to be launched on 5th December 2025. So here we can see that if I say only tab, then tab in itself is the holonym, but what can be inside the tab, like the cameras, like the wires, like the batteries, like the keys, something like that. Whatever the parts are included in the pad, inside the pad, that is known to be the meronymy, and the pad only in itself is known to be the holonymy. So this was all about the meronymy and holonymy and what are the differences. Now let's talk about the conclusion, that what are the differences between the hyponymy and meronymy. Hyponymy talks about the general word, while the term meronymy talks about the its a part, it's a segmental word. So the differences between that, one is talking about the common words, while another is talking about the proper words. Okay, or proper noun or common noun. Okay, so this was all about the hyponymy and meronymy. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.